I couldn't believe it when I found out that this profile earned over $30,000 from just one video. What the f? Is that even real? I saw that teenagers are making more than doctors by posting videos on TikTok. I've discovered the method, and by the end of this video, you'll learn how to practically do it yourself. All you need to do is follow my game plan. To start, take my advice. Don't publish hundreds of AI-generated videos because TikTok doesn't promote repetitive and unoriginal content. Okay, let's dive deeper. The first step of my game plan is to find products that can be sold on TikTok Shop. The site I'm about to show you is not sponsored. I'm sharing it because it's a great source for viral products today. Introducing Kalidata. This website allows us to quickly search for viral products and see their sales volume. When we click on the product field and type Guru Nanda in the search bar, we can see that this product generated €500,000 in revenue in 1 month, which is crazy. What is most important for all social media platforms today is average view duration. AVD shows how long the average viewer watches your video. For example, if you post a 10-minute video and the average viewer watches it for 4 minutes, your AVD is 4 minutes. The higher this percentage, the more social networks promote your content, and AVD over 60% is excellent. And to achieve that, you need a good script. So let's uncover our next step. What's crucial is to have a strong and compelling hook that stops viewers from scrolling. The first few seconds are critical because that's when viewers decide whether to continue watching. That's why it's important to write this text in the first person, as it will be read by our avatar. Let's start with a hook that immediately grabs attention. I suggest you come up with this part yourself. Open a Google document and think of something like this. For example, have you ever wanted to whiten your teeth naturally in just 3 seconds? Today I'll show you how. A clear and direct start like this immediately lets viewers know what to expect. A successful hook should be short and clear. A good topic and script with bad editing can still go viral, but a bad topic and a boring script with amazing editing will not get any views at all. I know this because I've been there, so don't make the same mistakes I did. We will use ChatGPT for the specific task of writing our viral script. Enter a prompt like this. Find useful information for your video. Copy the most interesting parts and paste them into a Google Doc. Then adjust the paragraphs until you have the script you want. Voiceover is like the secret spice in your favorite dish. It adds clarity, emotion, and that personal touch that text and images just can't deliver. Plus, without it, my videos would be like a movie without sound. Pretty boring. So, let's move on to the next step of my game plan. There are plenty of text-to-speech software options out there, but my favorite is ElevenLabs. Start by selecting or cloning the voice you like, then enter your text and create the voiceover. It should sound impressive, like this.
Oil pulling has some great benefits. First, it helps reduce plaque and gingivitis by trapping and removing bacteria.
However, the speed is too slow. We need to quicken it. Open your preferred editing software. I use CapCut. Import the voiceover and add it to the timeline. Use the cutting tool to trim any pauses and slightly overlap the clips. Listen to the result and repeat this process for the entire video. This will increase the pace and make the video more engaging. In the end, it should sound like this.
Have you ever wanted to whiten your teeth naturally in just 3 seconds? Today I'll show you how. Oil pulling has some great benefits. First, it helps reduce plaque and gingivitis. By trapping and removing bacteria and toxins,
And the next step is avatar generation. Imagine having your own personal Picasso, but without the artistic crises and paint splatters everywhere. That's Leonardo for you. Just enter text, like cat in a spacesuit, and in a few seconds, you'll get a masterpiece that even your cat would approve of. Whether you need artwork for social media, a meme for friends, or just want to impress your grandma, Leonardo is here to turn your creativity into stunning images. Let's get to the point. First, we'll go to Leonardo AI, and then in the Image Generation tab, we'll paste this prompt. In a few seconds, we'll have our avatar ready for promoting the product on TikTok. To impress our audience and evoke emotions, we need to generate images that complement our narration. The images must align with the theme of the product we're selling. It will make the images look like the ones in the video I showed you earlier. Next, type in what you want your image to look like and the desired aspect ratio. Since we're making a TikTok, we want it to be in a vertical format. Add the specification to the left side of the window. Then just press generate a few times until you get an image you like. When your image is ready, upscale it and download it. Repeat this process a few times until you have around 5 to 10 images. I also recommend downloading a few images of the product you're selling. Now, with the help of AI, we will create an avatar that will talk for us and actually sell our products. Why do it ourselves when someone else can do it? We'll go to a site called DID, upload the avatar we previously created, add the audio, choose the voice, and generate the video. Now that we have everything prepared, it's time to edit our video to sell Guru Nanda. We will import all the images we created earlier and set the ratio to TikTok mode 9:16. We will add our avatar. After that, we'll add the images and sync them with the voice. CapCut offers automatic subtitle generation, so we'll use that because it definitely increases viewer engagement. We'll click on text, then on auto caption, and generate in English. The final touch is adding music and animations. We have a wide range of free music available on Pixabay. Once we download the one we like, we'll just drag it onto the timeline. Now all we have left to do is export our promotional video and post it on TikTok. And it would look something like this.
Have you ever wanted to whiten your teeth naturally in just 3 seconds? Today I'll show you how. Oil pulling has some great benefits. First, it helps reduce plaque and gingivitis. By trapping and removing bacteria and toxins, it reduces inflammation and improves gum health. It also freshens your breath. Swishing oil in your mouth can help reduce bad breath by eliminating harmful bacteria and toxins, leaving your breath much fresher. Many people find that regular oil pulling helps whiten their teeth. The oil removes stains and improves the overall appearance of your teeth. Plus, oil pulling can help prevent cavities. By reducing the number of harmful bacteria in your mouth, it helps prevent tooth decay and keeps your smile healthy. Try oil pulling and see these amazing benefits for yourself. The best mouthwash product I recommend is Guru Nanda because it uses natural ingredients, ensures fresh breath, promotes gum health, and provides an exceptionally pleasant taste without harsh chemicals and alcohol. Order it on TikTok Shop.